I wonder what should a sadhaka do when he kind of hits a brick wall in his bhajan and feels like he's facing certain anarthis for years and years and can't get over them? What should his mood be? What should he or she do in that kind of situation?
What should the devotee do that's been practicing for some years, but he's still harassed by same anarthas? It's an interesting question you say, because in Jiva Goswami Sandarbha and other places, he said that those anarthas which are difficult to give up by our own endeavor can easily be given up by devotion to Guru. So the answer to your question is increase your relationship with your Guru, increase your devotion and bhakti for your Guru, and increase your awareness of your Guru. Bring your Guru closer into your life, closer into your mind, closer into your heart. Shrink the distance between you and Guru. Bring the Guru closer into your mind, closer into your heart, closer into your life. And those anarthas that are difficult to be given up can be given up by that ingress of Guru's Kriya, which will come by as you move closer to him. His mercy will become more profound in your life. This is teaching of Jiva Goswami. He specifically says that's the value of Diksha. Diksha, because we can practice Bhakti Bhajan on our own. The Krishna appears in your heart, he gives you Bhakti, you have Bhakti. Because Krishna gives Bhakti, your Guru gives Bhakti. Generally, we find that people get Bhakti first before they get Guru. Most people, before they get Guru, are practicing Bhakti. How they got Bhakti? Krishna gave Bhakti. Bhakti is self-manifest. Bhakti is independent, self-manifest. Bhakti is Krishna's Ladni Shakti, and some of its Shakti is Krishna's Shaktis. So Krishna gives it. That's why that verse in Chaitanya Charitamrita says, Brahmanda Brahma Tekam Bhagavan Jeev Guru Krishna Prasadi Pai Bhakti Atavish. Pai means receive. You receive Bhakti from Krishna Guru. Generally first Krishna gets Bhakti. Who he gets Bhakti to? Kaun Bhagavan. Kaun Bhagavan. Kaun Bhagavan. Who is that? We don't know. You, him. I got it. My brother didn't get it. My mother didn't get it. My other cousin didn't. I got it. Okay, lucky me. So it says Bhagavan Yitcha. It's Yadritya, the free Bhagavan, Swatantra Bhagavan. He gives it to you, he doesn't give it to you. So you got Bhakti and you got Diksha from Guru. So Jiva Goswami says, he specifically writes it, he says, why will the purpose of Diksha is get an extra power, extra mercy of Guru, which removes the anarthas that we can't remove on our own. So if you've got a Guru and you're practicing, you can still anarthas, means your Guru is not very prominent in your life. You're not the one you can answer that question yourself. It's not my business. But the answer to your question is the Guru has to become. You have to bring the Guru closer to your heart, closer to your mind, closer to your body. Maybe you should go see him sometime. Maybe you should go talk to him or send an email or whatever, Zoom meeting or counsel or chat or whatever. Guru is the essential element to success. Most devotees fail in bhakti because some bonding with the Guru is not good. I'll repeat that because my voice isn't too good. I had a stroke 2 years ago. Most devotees fail in bhakti sadhana because of improper relationship with Guru. They make Guru a bhakti. They make aparad the Guru, and that's not aparad. So you're saying now you're getting nowhere because you're making one side you're offending Guru, the other side you're chanting lack a day. You're making offenses. So nam is aparad. Radha means pleasure. Aparad means against the pleasure. Nam is unhappy. Nam is not happy. So you're not getting any fruit. Nam follow, you're not getting. So Guru is very essential. Is that okay? Nice question, very good question. Thoughtful question, important question. Helpful question for many people. Thank you.